Today we are going to learn about animals and their homes. Dog lives in a kennel. Kennel. Hen lives in a coop. Coop. Cow lives in a shed. Shed. Mouse lives in a hole. Hole. Honey bee lives in a hive. Hive. Tiger lives in a den. Den. Lion also lives in a den. Den. Birds live in a nest. Nest. Bear lives in a cave. Cave. Horse lives in a stable. Stable. Monkey lives on a tree. Tree. Ant lives in an anthill. Anthill. Deer lives on the grassland. Grassland. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Burrow. Fish lives in the water. Water. Spider lives in a web. Web. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.